How to apply to study in USA. Step 1. Choose to study in USA. Step 2. Decide on a course and an institution. Step 3. Check entry requirements for course and visa. Step 4. Apply for the course. Step 5. Receive your letter of offer. Step 6. Receive I-20 confirmation of enrollment. Step 7. Apply for your visa. And finally, Step 8. Plan your travel. Axiom offers professional guidance to Bangladeshi students who intend in the United States of America. We'll be with you on each step from the initial general consultations to arriving in the country. We'll review your academic, professional, and financial circumstances, along with your future study and career plan. According to your needs, we'll assist you in selecting a suitable course, place of study, and all other related issues. You'll get proper guidance from us, which will fully comply with the updated visa requirements. Our dedicated and well-experienced counselors are always ready to assist you in every step, such as your first visit to our office, admission, visa procedure, etc., until your departure to your desired destination. The typical procedure that you must take before starting your study in the United States is as follows. Step-by-step guide to apply in the United States. The first step would be attending a counseling session at Axiom. Decide on a course and an institution. Attend a counseling session at Axiom to find out your options relating to choose the courses and institutions aligned with your career plans. To explore more study options in the United States, know more in the description below. To meet your Axiom Education Advisor, get an appointment. Step 2 would be registering in Axiom. Register with Axiom to start the admission and visa process. We can help you navigate through the various processes and make studying overseas easier. Remember, all our services are free of charge. Next up will be Step 3, applying for the course. Once you've decided what and where you want to study, we'll help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice. At the time of application for admission, you'll be required to submit several documents including proof of previous academic qualifications and, in most cases, proof of your English language ability. Now, the common application for the standard documents for study application will require you to bring your photographs, passport, academic certificates, academic transcripts, and medical reports. For Masters and PhD, some additional documents will be required, such as a reference letter, a statement of purpose, a police clearance certificate, and a resume or a CV. The university may take up to 3 working days to send us a copy of the letter of acceptance (LOA) or eligibility letter or conditional offer letter if eligible via email. Documents for submission may vary according to schools. It is best that you inquire directly with your Axiom Education Advisor for details. By submitting your application through us, you'll be able to track the progress of your application as we send you automatic notifications of its progress. We also take the hard work out of tracking the applications by keeping in contact with the institution on your behalf. Next up will be Step 4, paying for the tuition fee. To accept your offer from an education provider, you must pay the tuition fee deposit. You can choose to pay this fee through either telegraphic transfer (TET) or direct debit (DD). We'll help you arrange either of these payment methods. Once the institutions have received and processed your tuition fee payment, they'll issue you with the confirmation of acceptance for studies, or the CAS. Once you've received this, we'll notify you that it is now time to come to Axiom with the required documents and start the visa application process. Next up will be Step 5, applying for the visa or the visa application. To lodge your visa application, you'll need to provide a series of documents which you'll be briefed about in Step 1. Just like your admission application, Axiom will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. Applying for visas is often seen as complicated, but Axiom's trained counselors are experts in guiding students through the application process. Here's some information on applying for student visas in the United States. F1 visa, or the United States student visa, is something that allows an individual to enter the United States as a full-time student at an accredited college, university, or other academic institutions. A student must be enrolled in a program or course of study that culminates in a degree, a diploma, or a certificate, and the school must be authorized by the United States government to accept international students. Now, the steps for applying for a student visa in the United States are as follows. The visa application process starts with the receipt of an I-20. The I-20 confirms the student acceptance and enrollment at a university or other educational institutions. Now, for this, you must pay the service fee, which is the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, pay the visa fee at the nominated bank, complete the visa application form, book a visa interview appointment, attend your visa interview, and your passport is returned to you by courier after all this is done. Remember, your personal Axiom's counselor will help you from start to finish, providing assistance in organizing documents, completing the forms, and preparing you for the interview with the visa officer at the United States Embassy. Next up is step 6, the visa outcome. We'll notify you as soon as we know the outcome of your visa application, so you can come in and collect your passport. In most cases, this is a positive response, and it means you can also start planning your travel and accommodation for the United States. And finally, we come to step 7, getting ready to go. Once you've accepted your place and your visa application is approved, we can help you organize and travel arrangements and advise with sorting out suitable student accommodation to begin your new student life in the United States. Air ticketing, insurance, foreign exchange, and anything else you need can all be arranged through us to make studying overseas easier. So wait no more. If you're serious about preparing for a study abroad, our expertise can help you get ready and find the right university and course selection, university application, visa application, pre-departure assistance, and accommodation arrangements. Start your application now. More information down in the link below. Thank you for your time with Axiom. Have a good day.
Welcome to Axiom Education Group, one-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.